I've had my BMW iX for a few months now, and the factory floor mats look good until Midwest rain and mud hit in a few weeks. So today I'm ditching them for custom all-weather Lasfit mats. Let's see if they actually fit well, protect, and look as good as they claim. First, I pulled everything out of the box, and no surprises here. Bigger pieces are folded, so it all fits into a pretty small box. They will relax and go back to correct shape after a while. You also get plenty of anchors to replace the hook and loop ones in the car, and a user manual on how to install them. Right out of the box, they look sturdy but flexible, and yes, this is pretty nice material right here. So this is going to be the TPE material that they're using. And yes, they look a little bit wonky right now, but as mentioned in the little card that came with them, it will take a little bit of time for them to basically get into their shape. As we can see, there is this molding on the side of basically every part, which means the water is not going to get out. So if you do spill something in the middle, it's fine. It's just going to stay within here, so you can easily clean it up. If we take a closer look underneath, we see these little non-slip nibs. So these will basically dig into the carpet of the car and make sure these do not slip within. So when people are getting in, pushing it with their foot, this should stay put and not move around. And that's really important, of course, because if you ever seen floor mats that just move around and they're out of place, it doesn't look good. They have been laser measured to fit every curved BMW iX's floor. So when we take a look just right here, this should fit perfectly inside the car. And to be extra sure that nothing moves, this will go into the carpet in your car. So that's where the standard mounting is. Then this is gonna clip into the actual floor liner. So they should be really, really well secured in place. So let's take a quick look and compare the two mats. This is the stock BMW mat from the driver's side, and this is what we are replacing it with. As you can see, this is much flatter and a lot less coverage compared to the new upgraded version we're gonna be installing. You can see how much taller it is, so the water and everything else is gonna stay inside the mat and not get inside the car. You can clearly see the difference right there. These floor mats are made from TPE, which should be more flexible, durable, and resistant to wear compared to rubber mats, which a lot of people put in their cars. So I think this is a better option. I also noticed that there is no smell coming from them, which is great. I hate when you get the rubber stuff, you put it in the car and then your car smells like rubber for a few weeks at the very least, or maybe even forever. This has to be the worst floor mat in this entire car. There's actually this big stain, and this is exactly what I'm trying to prevent with the new set. This I can't get out, so unfortunately it's gonna have to stay, but the mat itself has gotta go. There's even some burns in it. Next, we also have to remove these hooks. So these just unscrew. You can screw it like this and pull it out with the old and in with the new. You only have to do about half a twist, and then they are solidly held in there. And if you can't twist it with your hand, you can use a Phillips screwdriver to help you out. And we're just gonna put the new one in. Make sure these line up. Same exact process on the driver's side. And let's slide the new one in. This one covers so much more in here. Oh yeah, that's the difference. See how all of that is covered as well, the middle section as well, so where your drink is, and you accelerate quickly. This car does tend to do that, so if you accelerate or brake too quickly and it spills, it doesn't matter, you can just wipe it off. Just as easy in the back. Take off the old ones, take off the hooks. The hooks or the clips go in, and the new one pops in. You want to hear a nice satisfying click like that, and just look at that fitment. Fits really well around the air vent as well, and the seat railings all the way up to here. Last but not least, we're gonna protect the trunk floor here. I carry a bunch of stuff, go to Home Depot, Menards. I use this car for everything. I put e-bikes in here, I put strollers, I put my dog in here. So this will probably be the best protection that I can get. So let's get it installed. This one doesn't have any clips, so it should be really easy. Slide it in. line it all up. There it is. So I'm gonna let it rest for a little bit so it settles in. That little crease and all that stuff is gonna go away. And yes, it will still allow me to open this section right here, so that's not a problem. It has been a couple of weeks, and as you can tell, I have not cleaned these Lasfit floor mats since then. Let's see how hard or easy it is. I will do this without taking them out, but of course if you do, you can just hose them down and air dry. A quick wipe down after the vacuum and we are back in business. Much easier than scrubbing carpet mats. So if you want to protect your car's interior from rain, snow, or dirt and make it much easier to keep your car clean, check out the link in the description to get a set. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!